Hey, so here's how you can create multiple Instagram accounts using one email address. So first you have to open up your Instagram app and go to your profile, then hamburger menu, and from your account center, select personal details. Here you will see the emails that already added to your current account. So now you just want, using the same email, create another Instagram account. So to do that, you have to log out from your current profile first. Then go for create new account, and here you have to go for sign up with email. Now enter the same email address you used before. After entering the email, Instagram will detect that this email already linked to an account. But don't worry, you will see a pop-up asking if you wanna continue creating a new account. So just tap continue creating account and that's it. Next, Instagram will send a verification code to your email. Enter the code correctly, then create a strong password. After that, continue setting up your account by entering your birth date, name, username, agree to Instagram terms and conditions, choose a profile picture, and complete the setup. Once you finish these steps, your new account will be ready. Now go to your profile, tap the hamburger menu, and from Account Center, go to Personal Details. Now here you will see that the new account is created using the old email address. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.